koro ibiro dwar ni mondo ti kod lony manyasani chiwo osuru mag-gi. Mae tok ka duol machoko osuru e pacho ka KRA yango lai manyasani mar choko osuru ma idendo ni Electronic Rental Income Tax System kata ERITS. Kane uloso e nyasi mar yango lai makamano, jagoro mogirore migawo mar omenda Chris Kipto opuoyo lai kata chenro makama kaka okang' maneno yo mar tayo choko osuru e ler kendo medo dongruok e pacho ka. Chenro ni geto jogo ma gin weg udi ma ikombo, jogo mani kod mwandu ma oger.
The last financial year, 2023-2024, the monthly rental income registered a collection of 14.4 billion, translating to a 5.2% year-on-year growth compared to a collection of 13.6 billion and 12.3 billion in the previous financial years, 2022-2023 and 2021-2022, respectively.
This system we are launching today does something else which is very, very important. For the tenants who are contributing, who are paying rents, the tool allows the tenants their payment records to be used as part of the criteria towards allocating them for new homes.
The e-REIT will enable the registration of landlords and rental properties in a streamlined and comprehensive manner, simplify tax filing processes for landlords, making compliance easier. This will in turn enhance voluntary tax compliance. With this system, we aim not only to increase revenue collection, but also create a more equitable and predictable tax environment that benefits both taxpayers and the government.